Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing power and ports so the dock performs reliably. First, connect the official USB-C power adapter to the dock and an AC outlet. This supplies stable 15V power. Once done, inspect the HDMI cable and TV input, then plug HDMI into the dock. Make sure the switch 2 is awake. You don't need to remove cases unless they block the USB-C connector. These steps prevent power or signal issues before you insert the console. You now dock the switch 2 and configure output settings for best results. With the dock powered and HDMI connected, slide the console straight into the USB-C port until it clicks or seats. Do not force it. Next, switch your TV to the HDMI input used and enable game mode if available to reduce lag. Then, on the switch 2, go to System Settings, choose TV Output, and set resolution and refresh preferences. This ensures sharp image and smooth frame pacing. Finish by verifying charging, video, and controllers so play starts without interruptions. Confirm the battery icon shows charging and the TV displays the home screen. Connect Bluetooth or Pro controller as needed. If the screen stays black, power cycle the dock and switch 2, receipt cables, and try a different HDMI port or cable. For charging problems, inspect the USB-C for debris and test an authorized adapter. These steps resolve most docking issues quickly and safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.